In 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, Article 3, Bill of Rights, Section 1, no person be denied of the liberty or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the laws. Section 2, the right of the people to be secure in their person, houses, paper, and effect against unreasonable searches and no seizure of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be unavailable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personality by the judge after examination under oath of affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses. He may produce in particular describing the place to be searched and the person or things to be seized. Section 3. 1. The privacy of the communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court, of when public safety or order requires otherwise of prescribed by law. 2. Any evidence obtained in violation of this of the preceding section shall be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. Section 4. No law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of experience, of expression of or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government the redress of grievances. Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an established of religion, of prohibiting the free exercise thereof, the free exercise and enjoyment of religious precision, worship without discrimination or preference shall forever be allowed. The no religious they shall be required to the exercise of civil or political rights. Section 6. The liberty of above and of changing the same within the limit prescribed by law shall not be infringed except upon law order of the court. Neither shall be the right to travel be infringed except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health as may provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of public concern shall be recognized access to official record and to document and papers pertaining to official act, transaction or decision as to government research data used as basis for policy development shall be afforded the citizen subject to such limitation as may be provided by law. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employing in the public and private sectors, to form unions, association, or society for purpose not contrary to law shall not be abridged. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just compensation. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contracts shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to the court and quasi-judicial body and inadequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person by reason of property. Section 12. 1. Any person under investigation for the commission of an offense shall have the right to be informed of his right to remain silent and to have competent and independent counsel, capable of his own choice if the person cannot afford the services of counsel. He must have provided with, and this right cannot be waived except in the writing and in a presence of counsel. 2. No torture, force, violence, threat, intimidation, or any other means with beyond the free will shall be used against him. Secret, intention, pleasuretary, comunicado, or other similar forms of detention are prohibited. 3. Any confession or admission obtained in violence of Section 17 hereof shall be inadmissible in evidence against him. 4. The law shall provide the penal and civil sanction for violence of this section as well as compensation to and rehabilitation of victims of torture or similar practices and their families. Section 13. All persons except those charged with offenses punishable by reclusion perpetua when evidence of guilt is strong shall before conviction be violable by sufficient sureties or be released on recognized as may be provided by law. The right to be shall not be impaired even when the privilege of the writ of the habeas corpus is suspended. Exclusive bills shall not be required. Section 14.1. No person be held to answer for criminal offense without due process of law. 2. In all criminal prosecution of the accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary proved, and shall enjoy the right to be heard. Himself and counsel be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation against him, to have a speedy, impartial, and public trial, to meet the witnesses face to face, and to have compulsory process to secure the attendance of witnesses and the production of evidence. Indeed, we have, however, after arraignment, trial may proceed notwithstanding the absence of the accused, provided that he has been duly notified and his failure to appear is unjustifiable. Section 15. The privilege of the written of the habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in case of invention or rebellion when the public safety requires it. Section 16. All persons shall have the right to speedy disposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies. Section 17. No person shall be compelled to witness against himself. Section 18. 1. No person shall be denied solely by reason of his political belief and aspiration. 2. No involuntary servitude in any form shall exist except as a punishment for a crime, whereof the party shall have been duly convicted. Section 19(1). Excessive fines shall not be imposed, not cruel, degrading, or human punishment inflicted, neither shall the death penalty be imposed unless for complying reason involving heinous crime. The Congress hereafter provides for it. Any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced to reclusion perpetua. 2. The implement of the physical, psychological, or degrading punishment against any prisoner of detainee, or the use of the substandard of delicate penal felicities under subhuman condition shall be dealt with by law. Section 20. No person shall be imprisoned for debt or non-payment of poll tax. Section 21. No person shall be trespassed jeopardy of punishment for the same offense if an act punished by the law and an ordinance, conviction, or acquittal under either shall constitute bar to another prosecutor for the same act. Section 21. No except post fact law or bill of attainder shall be enacted.